How to get LinkedIn Premium for free. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to get LinkedIn Premium for free. So let's get started. First, as you have to open LinkedIn app with your account. After you open LinkedIn, you will get this kind of interface. From here, tap on your profile icon at the top left. From here, simply tap on the option Try Premium for $0. And from here, simply you'll have to just choose any options like you can use premium for your personal or your part of job. Simply select one and tap on next. As usual, you can also skip this by tapping on the skip at the top right. And from here, simply tap on try now for US $0. Alright, from here you can view your billing cycle like you'll get 1 month free and then after you'll have to pay $39.99 per month. Simply you'll have to just review it. As usual, you can go with the option annual or monthly. After you select that, tap on the option try now at the bottom. From here, you'll have to just made a payment. After you made a payment, you will get 1 month free subscription for LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.